So today is Monday, the 29th of December, and as a way of just wrapping up the year, we are going to show you how we do our daily meals, how we cook, what we eat in a normal day. So today, I'm just going to show you what I'm making. So right now, we bought this hard body chicken. It's called Hukuechi boy. So I'm cooking this. I'm just boiling it. After I boil it, I'm going to add tomatoes, onions, and then I'm going to also just put gravy in it. That's it. And then here I want to make some eggs, and then we have bread. That's what we're going to use, and also this. I love that combo where we have bread, eggs, and then like just normal breakfast kind of thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna make just now. And yeah, this is because we were fasting. So this is what we're eating now, not during breakfast. Okay, so yeah. Please note, I'm not a chef, so don't judge my cooking skills. At least as long as I add salt, that's it. I'm not a chef. I never went to culinary school, so yeah. I'm not a chef. I love this combo, but yeah, I'm not gonna add it. I'm just going to show you what we have. So I'm going to all right, put my oil. So I just use my eyes to measure what will be enough for. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, that will be fine. I hope that's not, but it's not a lot. Hmm? Hmm? Yes, I will also measure with my eyes. It should just be enough for seasoning. I don't like this inside, but I love it as just to use it for cooking. So so this stuff shocks, so I'm just gonna hold it with this. Sometimes it shocks you, like it will shock you. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this. So if you have any tips on how to make eggs scrambled, sunny side up, sunny side down, whatever way that you have, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll gladly love your suggestions. So yeah, that's the egg that I want. Just gonna put it there. Okay. Now this is one thing here. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Yeah, it's out now. Oh, another one. Yo. This egg didn't want to just be eaten out here. What's happening? Oh, okay. There we go. Alright. This one is done. So I'm just gonna plate it here. Plate it there. And also there. That's it. Oh, that's a lot of oil. But yeah. What do I know? There we go. Alright. To have a clear space on what a clear space where you're cooking. I love clearing the place where I'm cooking. I don't like it to be crowded. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe this here. Although it's crowded today, but yeah, I don't like crowded places. Oh yeah, it's this, but it's fine. It's okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Just gonna wait. Then I'm going to open this. I can put this back. Okay. I also need to cut I also need to cut my onions. So I'm just gonna do this. I need the cutting board. Here it is. Let me just close here. Oh. Where can I wash this? I need to wash it outside. I need to have it. Okay. Just gonna take this out. I hate the smell that I have after I cut onions. I don't know what you can use to actually remove it, because most of the time when I have what do you call it, when I end my day, I always have this smell that I have. So it's not bad. It's bad actually. Okay. My cutting skills, place a 0. Biggie 0 nje. Place a 0 because as long as it's cut, as long as it's eatable, it's consumable. Hey, that's the goal. Okay. go. And we are done. Voila. Let me put my egg. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil. Okay, there we go. Alright. And then I'm going to put my onions in. Doesn't have to be so messy because I just want it to be not much. I won't salt them because I don't want them to be salted. I just want them to have this, and then I'll open my beans. That's it. Thank God for technology. Don't have to struggle opening this. And then just gonna put it straight. I don't know how you do it, but I put it straight in. And then yeah. So they're saying it's a source of fiber. We are looking for the fiber there. And then you just stir a little bit. You just stir it.